with each other because of these songs.
I just want to thank everybody that's ever sung these songs in karaoke. On behalf of my son, he's benefiting from all the residuals. I really would like to thank everybody that started with me, got old with me, and has passed on the songs to their children. Because there's a new generation of singers, and they're still singing the song. Thank you guys. Thank you to the original ones. Thank you, all of you. And to the masses who have, is that meant for me? Not Janine? Thank you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you very much, Ms. Odette. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Odette Quezada. And now for more surprises are coming your way. Magbabalik ang ASAP.
Odette Quezada, what can you say? What do you like about her style of writing? What makes it different from all the other composers?
Ano lang naman, amazing lang siya. Wala lang, simple lang. She was so young when she did all these songs. Wala pang experience na lang. Narinig niya lang yung something from a girl in the bus. Nasabi niya,
Sir Mark,
I never knew what love was. Tapos ginawa ito, whoever that girl is, thank you.
Every heartache has been represented by every song that you've written on behalf of a grateful nation. I wish we could ask everyone a question, but we all agree that your music is unforgettable. Maraming salamat. And on behalf of ABS-CBN, we would like to present you with this, the ASAP Pinoy plaque of appreciation and recognition of your outstanding contribution to origin Filipino music given this 27th day of November 2016. And what is your message to the millions who have joined?
Ayan na. Ang gamit ko tayo sa mga pan. Okay na, Ate Irene?
Hindi lang inaalaga.
Ate Irene, okay na?
Galing ako sa yun yung toka namin. Ate Apple, be fair.
Sige.
Grabe siya.
Wait na, 1, 2, ready, go! Saan sa Ate? Salamat din.